So today we're going to be talking about some rhythms that maybe aren't quite as common or we haven't talked about as much as I think we need to. So let's talk about the dotted half note. This is a half note. A half note gets 2 beats, and the dot behind it gets half of 2. So think to yourself, what is half of 2? It's 1. So what's 2 plus 1? 3. So a dotted half note gets 3 beats. So we might want to have a time signature that has 3 beats in it. And so this is what a 3/4 time signature looks like. There's 3 beats in each measure, and the 4 stands for that the quarter note gets the beat. Here's our regular 4/4 time signature, our most common time signature. That means that there are 4 beats in the measure, and this bottom 4 means that the quarter note gets the beat. We know that bar lines divide measures. So if you have a 3/4 measure, you're going to have 3 beats, bar line, 3 beats. Or if you have a 4/4 time signature, you're going to have 4 beats, bar line, 4 beats. No matter what kind of time signature you have, if you're at the end of the song, you are going to have a double bar line. And that shows the musician that it is the end. Now, here it is an application to a song. So here's your time signature. Here is an example of a bar line. As you can see, every 4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, bar line. 1, 2, 3, 4, bar line. 1, 2, here's 2 more beats, 3, 4, bar line, and then a whole note gets 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, bar line. So I've also noted here's a half note, here's a whole note, here's a quarter note, the very first note I ever taught you when you were little bitty. This is an 8th note pair or 8th notes. And then right here at the end, you see the double bar line. Now today, you're going to show me that you can identify all these things. So down here, you're going to look for the time signature, the double bar line, the quarter note, and the half note. So if you look, here's number 1, and it's pointing to this right here. So up here, you're going to type one of these words, time signature, double bar line, quarter note, or half note. If you want to just type A, B, C, or D, you can do that as well. A, B, C, or D. So I would look at number 1, and then I'd make sure that I click on it, and I'd put my answer in. Be sure that you are not in present mode when you go to click. 2, it's pointing to this right here. So again, I'm going to choose from my choices right here and put my answer right there for number 2. Here's what number 3 is pointing at. There's number 3. Notice they're all color-coded. And here's number 4. It's pointing at these things right here. I can't say it. These things right here. You'll put your answer for number 4 there. Then you're going to sing Hot Chocolate by Andy Beck again. You're going to sing Snow by Teresa Jennings again. And then be sure to fill in the text boxes on slide 5. Do not turn this in blank. Did you sing the songs? If you've done all of the slides, then you can turn it in. All right. So remember, when you are doing this, it should say click to add text. If you are in present mode, it will not work. You have to be just in your regular mode in order to be able to click it and to add the text. All right. If you have any questions, please just email me or drop me a little message in the stream.